Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel Swat Talks and welcome to my episode number 3 Brindhavan Gardens Musical Fountain. So the beauty of Brindhavan Gardens rises to a next level during the evening hours. So that is why we are here in this evening and the footpaths are lightened up with colorful lights. Guys, you can find the yellow lamps and glowing under the trees which make the entire garden look magnificent. Here you will be able to see the beautiful KRS dam which is decorated with a lot of lights, and the crowd also increases as people flock to watch the most awaited fountain show. So guys, if you're new here, then please take a moment to subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss an update. So the main attraction at the Brindhavan Gardens in Mysore happens to be the beautiful array of musical fountains. Yes, here I'm gonna show you the musical light show with water, guys, and the flow of water is digitally controlled, and also the main reason why it is famous is because these fountains are synchronized to music and go live at the time when the garden is light up.